Precision Repair, Hexagon Healthcare. Inventory. After each device has been inspected for physical damage, an inventory check should be performed. Each item should be checked against the shipping list and then compared to the original purchase order. The inventory check should include not only equipment but also accessory items such as cables and user manuals. The engineer should check that all cable lengths are correct, as some cables are manufactured specifically for the job and are not a stock item. If a new cable must be ordered, for instance, it could delay the installation several weeks. Finally, during the inventory check, all the serial numbers should be recorded and documented on the installation report and on the equipment registration forms.